Hi, it's Ashleigh from Sweet Dreams Bake Shop, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make these really simple but cute little Easter nests. Now, I had a bunch of leftover egg whites, but if you don't have that and you want to know how to separate your egg white and your egg yolk, this is how I usually do it. I just toss the egg back and forth until all that's left is that yolk, and then I reserve that yolk for some other recipe. Now I'm just adding a little pinch of salt, and now I'm measuring out 300 grams of granulated sugar. Then add 75 grams of water and heat this on medium. Today I'm doing it on my gas stove, which means that this is going to heat fairly quickly. This is called the Italian meringue method, and it's one of my favorite methods to make meringues because I find it works every single time and you get the perfect type of peak. Heat the sugar to 240 degrees Fahrenheit and then start whipping those egg whites. When it reaches about 244 degrees Fahrenheit, that's when you want to actually put this into your mixture. Now notice how I keep it just a steady stream and I keep that whipping the whole time. I generally add my flavorings around this point, and I'm being really simple with this. It's just plain vanilla extract. I whip my meringue for a total of 3 minutes on medium to high speed. Of course, if you don't want to use the Italian meringue method, you can use the exact same recipe, just eliminate the water, whip your egg whites, and add the sugar in about a tablespoon at a time until you get stiff peaks. Normally, I use tipless bags for everything, but unfortunately, the store that I usually buy them from ran out. But it's really okay because we're going to use a tip anyway. With these meringue nests, I really wanted to add something that would cut through that sweetness. So I'm using some unsweetened coconut, and we're placing this on the bottom, and we're just going to pipe our nest on top. What's going to happen is the coconut is going to toast up really beautifully and evenly, and then we're just going to have our nest, which is going to perfectly dry out on the top. Now you can choose to style these nests any way that you would like. You can fill them up with fruit, which is very common, and it also helps cut into that sweetness because a little bit of sweet mixed with the tart is really nice. We're gonna keep things nice and simple. I'm just going to put a little bit more toasted coconut inside of the nests, and then we're going to add on those little mini Easter eggs. I'm gonna go ahead and add just a little bit more toasted coconut on the top as well. Now, if you wanted to keep these pure white, of course, you would eliminate the coconut and just bake the nests at a really low temperature, and that's what's going to maintain any color that you use. You'll know that the nests are ready because they come off the pan super easily. Now, of course, my recipe actually makes a lot more than this many nests, but I did something else with the other part of my meringue. My family and I always buy a huge bag of these chocolate eggs at the beginning of the spring season, and they never ever seem to last. This comes together super easily, and it's a really nice light dessert, perfect for spring and Easter. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you can be part of the Sweetie fam. Right now, I'm uploading daily, so make sure you hit that notification bell so you know when I upload. Also, be sure to comment, request, or ask a question. I love hearing from you guys. Bye!